Hello again, YouTube. I hope you all had a good Christmas and Happy New Year to you all. So let's get this year started with not one, not two, three unboxing to get 2018 started. So here we are. Let's get straight into it. First package. Package inside package. And that is the first coin. Oh yes. That is the 1850, excuse me, full sovereign, AU 58. With a discount. Bucks coins, they're good company. That's the first time I actually buy of them. He had it on for 900 after a long offer, and then we decided to go for 550. It's expensive for AU 58, but for this date, 1850, it's only 1 million, just over 1 million being minted. So it's kind of reasonable. 1850. You know, I think this coin could have done better than AU 58. Lovely coin. Look at the details on the hairs, on all the hairlines. Very nice. And there is no mark here. It's London Mint. Okay. And 1850, it's only London Mint anyway. Right. That's the first coin. Coin number 2. Oh yes, this was an eBay auction. It's for my son's collection. Ah. It is Year of the Snake, Australian lunar, quarter-ounce, gold bullion, Year of the Snake. It's 2013. Quarter ounce, 9999 gold. Good condition. Very nice. Okay, let's go for the last one for today. Look at all these stamps. And here we have CGS, Coin Grading Service UK. We have 1862 full sovereign with wide date. It's only 45, which is about extremely fine XF45. There's a few marks on the case, as you see. Wide date. You can see there is space between the 8 and the 6 there. Maybe that's why they call it a wide date. Let's have a look at the 1850. Okay. So 1862 wide date shield back sovereign. This coin wasn't expensive, so I thought I'll pick it up. You can see here all the wear on the hair, on the high point of the coin. I mean, look at the difference. You get what you pay for, eh? Okay, that's it for today. Thank you all for watching. So here we have 3 coins, 2 sovereigns, my favorite, shieldback sovereigns, and 1/4 ounce. Thank you all for watching. It's nearly 10 minutes now, and I will see you on the next one. Bye for now.